Hi, I'm Ken Prohl, Senior Applications Engineer for Expand Machinery. This video covers how to change the Sub-Spindle live tooling to a fixed holder. The GenTurn 36CS has 4 Sub-Spindle tools that can be configured for either live tooling or fixed ID tooling. If you want to use live tooling, you have to put your first live tool in station number 34. The next live tool needs to go in tool station number 33 and the next in station 32. If you try to skip a station, the tool will not turn. Before we get started, you will want to get some items together. You'll need a fixed tool holder and long mounting bolts. The fixed tool holder comes with 2 set screws to hold the tool in place. The toolbox should have the hand tools necessary to remove the driven tool and install the fixed tool holder. The 25mm open wrench is used for the ER20 collet nut. The 23mm open end wrench is to hold the spindle while tightening or loosening the collet nut. The 4mm Allen wrench is for the mounting bolts, and the slide hammer is used to remove and install the driven spindle assembly. We start by pressing E-stop to allow us to rotate the spindles by hand. Use the 23mm wrench supplied with the machine to hold the spindle. It's flatter than your normal open-end wrench and will fit behind the ER20 collet to hold the spindle while using the 25mm open-end wrench to loosen the collet nut and remove the tool. Remove the 4 bolts on the flange. Screw the end of the slide hammer into the driven tool holder in place of the collet nut. Use the slide hammer to remove the driven tool assembly. Clean the bore, making sure no chips get inside the gearbox. Do not use an air hose to clean while the gearbox is exposed. Once the bore is clean, place the fixed tool holder in the bore and slide it against the flange. Do not force the tool holder into the bore. If it doesn't go easy, use an emery cloth to knock down any burrs causing the holder to stick. Notice the short set screws go in the hole that gets covered when you install the tool holder. You may have to place your tool in the holder and tighten the set screw before installing the holder in the bore. Make sure the top of the set screw is under the ground cylinder before placing the tool holder in the bore. Use the long bolts in the flange to mount the tool holder. Reverse the procedure to change a station back to a driven tool. This concludes the instructions on how to change the sub-spindle tooling. Bye for now.